Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 10 questions for TGT PGT English grammar and other English grammar associated teaching exams as a practice set for. Let's start. See the direction. Each of the following sentence has a figure of speech with 4 alternatives. Choose the correct alternative. Question number 1. She is a fan of stagnant waters. Simile, personification, metaphor, onomatopoeia. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be metaphor. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. Simile, metaphor, hyperbole, onomatopoeia. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be simile. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. The naughty boy is cunningly simple. Alliteration, hyperbole, metaphor, oxymoron. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be oxymoron. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. And beauty born of murmuring sound shall pass into her face. Metaphor, onomatopoeia, antithesis, oxymoron. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be onomatopoeia. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Rome, thou hast seen much better days. Hyperbole, personification, apostrophe, alliteration. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be apostrophe. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Complete the sentence to select correct choice given below. Mirage is an blank space of eyes. Illusion, disillusion, allusion, fusion. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be illusion. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. What do you mean by red letter day? A day of great joy or importance, a measurable day, right time, in perfect order. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be a day of great joy or importance. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Choose the right form of the given sentence. I was appointed blank space this post. I was appointed for this post. I was appointed to this post. I was appointed from this post. I was appointed on this post. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be I was appointed to this post. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Which is antonym of hopeful? Unhopeful, dishopeful, non-hopeful, hopeless. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be hopeless. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. Choose the meaning of philanthropist from this following: a lover of beautiful women, a lover of animals, a lover of nature, a lover of mankind. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be a lover of mankind. Option D will be the right answer. So friends, I hope you enjoyed learning about 10 questions. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.